goes the thunder. Woo! So we are still in Dargaville. Ended up being here for 4 nights. It's just been a really good base to be able to explore. We're toying with the idea of leaving today. We've been for a swim at the pools and done the groceries, but there's really bad storms all around, like thunder and lightning and just nasty weather, and it seems to be missing Dargaville, but just over there it looks like if we head east and southeast towards Auckland, we're probably going to get hit by nasty weather, so we're not too sure what we're doing at this stage. Oh guys, just wait, but we are getting rid of the rubbish, aren't we, Boo?
Yeah.
So what should we do, Summer? Should we stay another night here and try to avoid the horrible weather?
Yeah.
We ran out of water last night and Marcel was like, oh, let's go fill up because there's water here, and I was like, no, let's just do it in the morning when we leave. It's like 2 o'clock and we still haven't done it because we've been out. So we filled up a couple of water bottles and just used them for dishes and stuff instead. But yeah, we are going to fill up the beast today. We haven't had to put water in it since before we left the church at Waiku, which is pretty cool. I think the 9th of November and now it's the 22nd. So truck's ready to travel now. We've just got to put the trailer and Zippy on, the car, Zippy. Yeah, so we are going to move further south tonight. I think the weather looks a little bit more stable than what it did before, but who knows. So I found 2 possible places near Kaiwaka. If the first one doesn't work out, if they don't have room for us, then we'll go to the next one. That just puts us a little bit closer to tomorrow, to where we want to go in Auckland to visit Marcel's parents. Shut the gate, Lolo. He's leaving us behind. Right, so Beast left us behind because he can't turn here. Come on. Oh, quick, run. So you can't turn right there because it's a really dangerous, well, it's not dangerous, but you can't see over the bridge with traffic coming.
Oh, whoa.
So he's gone round the corner to get us.
We've parked in Kaiwaka for the night by the Furlongs Tavern, is it? Furlongs?
3 furlongs. Bar and
3
grill.
furlongs. Not that we're going to go and have a feed or anything, but this is a bit of a midway park up spot for us. We're going to head back to the my stomping ground tomorrow, out at Hudson's Beach most probably, stay out there so I can see my folks and stuff before we head south.
Cool. But we're just waiting for the rain before we level the track, eh?
Yeah, no, I'm not going to do it in the rain. Yeah, that sure was.
There goes the thunder. Woo! Oh, our first thunderstorm in Beast. And we've got hail. We had a pretty stormy night last night, bit of thunder and lightning. Kids reckon they didn't hear it, but I did, and I woke myself up, but pretty cool. Howdy puppies! So we have stopped in Orewa for lunch. Got to go to Silverdale, get some new strops for the car on the trailer. The wheels are actually starting to cut the strops. Don't know why, but they're really, really sharp, and just we can't get the wheels in a good position every time, and it's just cutting through them. Funny, we found a place finally to park Beast to put the new strops on the car trailer, and a bus driver sitting there waiting to pick up some school kids recognised the truck and had seen our tour walkthrough video that we did. Stopped and had a chat. He's got a house truck too that he says he's been herding it. Yeah, cool. Same length as Beast. So we tried staying at the Onefero Domain Freedom camping spot, but it was really hard getting in there, and Beast was on just a wicked lean, and even with levelling ramps it was just sinking into the ground. So we've come here to this park over property. It's not far from Pukekohe. Yeah, it's just a yard, but it's free to stay. It's nice and level for Beast, and yeah, it will do us for the night. We'll just leave early tomorrow and go to the Lisbetkin Reserve, which is by the Waikato River, where we've been a few times with friends recently. So yeah, we'll stay there for the day while Marcel's folks visit, and yeah, look for somewhere else, maybe a friend's place to park tomorrow night. So yeah, this is good for one night. So yeah, we were meant to go hang out with Marcel's folks today in the sun, but it's rubbish day, so we're going to do that tomorrow. It's meant to be a bit better tomorrow. Yeah, it's super gross out here.
Don't slip over.
Right, so we were going to stay here at the Freedom Camping by our old church here in Tuakau. But we decided, we met some other campers who were going to sleep here tonight, and we told them about the Lisbetkin Reserve at the river, that's freedom camping too, so we're going to go camp down there with 2 other motorhomes. There've been good reviews and bad reviews for that site, and we just weren't sure about sleeping there if we were on our own with the trailer and bikes and everything. But if there's other campers down there, then we should be sweet. So. Man, it's a hard life, isn't it? Have you guys gone numb?
Yeah. All of my feet.
Good one.
All of my toes.
Do you want your towels?
Yes, ma'am.
So that's what you asked for your birthday cake, eh?
Yeah.
Carrot cake. Yeah.
Yummy.
See, I was just going to buy a supermarket one, but Nana made one, so that's even better.
Megalodon.
Cool.
Picnic. My first ever picnic.
Is it? Oh.
Yes.
Oh, I'm definitely recording this time.
5 seconds. Yeah.
What are you having?
Am I recording?
S'mores.
Yes, more.
Oh, dearie me. That looks interesting. So we have had 2 nights at our friend's house. It's really cool. We had good feed last night and marshmallows and a spa. Marcel's going to get Beast out of the drive now, put Zippy on, trailer on, and then we're going to hang with some friends, and tomorrow morning we're going to head to Raglan, I think. Never been.
Yeah, if you're at the top of anything there, that's 38.20 on the lean, maybe 39 maximum.
So anything under 4 we won't go under.
Yeah, aim for the safe side.
Yeah, yeah. Marcel's making pancake mix for JJ's birthday in the morning.
Round 2? Or take 2?
Yeah, because I didn't press record before. Happy birthday, JJ! Funny. 11-year-old cuddles. So normally we have to tell you guys to put the bed up. But with a little bit of birthday motivation, you've done it first thing. Hey.
We leave the area for good.
Yeah, we're going south of Auckland today, kids.
Wait, we're going south?
We're leaving the Auckland area. When we went up north, we were coming back through Auckland, but now we're actually driving out and not coming back.
Happy birthday with all my love from Gran. Kiss, kiss, hug. There's no money in this card. Sorry. I knew it. Mario! Yes! What one did I get? It's to go with your Megalodon. Yes! Yes! Thank you.
I found the last one!
Was that the last Mikey card?
It's the last one that I've seen in the shops, like ever. Yes!
So tonight we are parked in Tuako. So 11 years ago we moved up here from Nelson. Well, I moved back to the area and Sarah moved up here with me to start a life up here, having a family. And the cool thing is that where we're parked tonight is where I first got a job up here, back up here at Franklin Tree Services. And the cool thing is that that's where we're parked tonight, is where pretty much our family journey started.